This is a tutorial for how to log into Khan Academy as a student when your teacher has already created your account from his profile. So let's go to Khan Academy. Here in the first link you will find a login over the top right corner. So just go to login, enter the details that has already been shared by your teacher. Let's say for example Rama955 is a username and password as shared by your teacher. Just head on login and there you go, you have already logged into Khan Academy and here is a bit of tutorial. So this is, please read all those things and press next to finish these tutorials. And here is a privacy policy. You just tick this box and head on start learning. So you can accept all the cookies here. And now here you see that this is your class where you have been enrolled and these are the courses. So if you go to teacher section, this is the teacher currently you are heading with. And yeah, so here is your progress that comes in once you start all the courses. So let's head on to the course. This is the first lesson, integer, which is of class 7th maths. So if you go and head on start, you see all those related to integers. So that's the unit 1. You see additive identity, a video on this, and now you head on this. You see a video that buffers here and you can play the video.
Consider you have a
So you should fully watch this video in order to complete the course. And once you are completed with this, you have some questions, you have some practices, you have some quizzes. Once you complete all those, your teacher will get to know about this. And yeah, that's pretty much up. And if you want to learn something more than what has been assigned in your class, you can head on to profile. You will see a pop-up where you can add some more things, or you can go to courses. Here you can select the class, hit on continue, and you can personalize this based on your preferences. Let's say for I'll take class 7th old and arithmetic from math, and you have many more. You can see the also those options. So in order computing, you can select there are multiple things that you can select apart from whatever you are learning, just for your betterment. So I'll head with continue on this. The details are being saved, and yeah, here you go. Here there are arithmetic courses. You can add some more. You can edit courses here and add some more. So that's pretty much about how you should go on Khan Academy and learn about yourself, learn far better with the courses, and also with more whatever you want to learn in the universe. Thank you.